Greatness. DJ Natil.
Joe boy Ponte. Nunca tô bafé. No maguete como a lobe.
Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chanelly767. What's popping? Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. This is another hair tutorial video, and it's a part 2 from the previous video that I did called Palette with Cranberry. I gave you a little snippet of how I install this unit, so I decided to make a full tutorial video of how I curl and install this unit today. This is the one I'll be using. Link will be down in the description bar. It is from Amazon. I take small section of the hair, start from the top, wrap the hair around the one until I reach the tip. Hold it, count up to 40 and then release. Let me tell you, this wand is the best one I ever come across. It's the best curling iron I ever made. Just ever. So I really suggest, if you're looking for a good affordable curling iron, then this is the one that I highly recommend. So I'm just going to finish up this hair section by section and then enjoy the rest of the video. While you're enjoying this video, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want more of what's popping with Chanelly767. So this is the final look on how I curl this unit. It's so beautiful. I really love this hair. I have it for at least 1 year now. The link will be down in the description bar on where I purchased this unit. And as you can see, I'm going just at the top of the hair to make sure it is nice and flat. And I'm going back with the wand to just flatten it. You can use the wand or you can use the hot comb, whatever that you prefer. So I'm just taking this little body, I'm giving 2 pumps and applying on the top part of the hair. Some people use the mousse, some people use edge control, and some people use wax sticks. Whatever you prefer is optional. I use all 3, but for this unit I decided to go with the little body. Then I'm taking the curling iron again and making sure this top of the hair is nice and flat. And once again, you can use the hot comb, is whichever one that you prefer to use. And this is the complete look of everything. And then keep on watching to see how I install this unit. So I'm taking the Got2b frizz spray and applying it at the edge of the stocking. I did not cut the stocking because I do not want this unit too long in my hair. Basically, I just want it for like a couple days and then I remove this unit. And then after that, I'm going to take the glue and again I'm going to apply it wherever I apply the frizz spray. Then I take in the Got2b glue one more time and applying second layer on top of that first layer just to make sure it's nice and tacky. So once I apply the hair, it just automatically stick one time. Then I'm taking the edge of any comb and then I just making sure the edges are nicely glued down and the same area that was giving problem, it is nicely glued down as you can see. And then I'm taking an elastic band to melt my edges. Then I'm going back with my Got2b frizz spray to make sure these edges are laid, guys. You just have to double check for these edges to lay down for the couple of days I'm going to have it. The other glue that I'm loving is also I Am Erica J. I suggest this glue to anybody. I've been trying it for last month and it's really good glue. I mean, this will hold your hair and it's a great buy. And this is the final results of how I curl and install this unit. As you can see, I'm just combing out the curls, making sure everything is nice and smooth, no knots. I'm just showing you how curly it is. And then this is how I did my face for my interview of Palette with Cranberry. The link is down in the description bar. So as I mentioned, is a part 2 of that video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for What's Popping with Chanelly 767. All the best and stay blessed.